Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 22, 2025, our system has ranked iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.41. Now, let's take a closer look at the ETF's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is moving within a narrow and horizontal trend, and further movements within this range can be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 1.41% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 0.316% and 3.69%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 11.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 17.26% to negative 7.45% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $72.03 and $80.56. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after the Friday trading session. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price gained 0.741% on the last trading day, Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, rising from $86.41 to $87.05. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.671%, with a day low at $86.72 and a day high of $87.30. The price has been experiencing ups and downs over this period, resulting in a loss of 0.27% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 21 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 50 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $83.30. Currently, the price is 14.35% or $14.59 below the 52-week high and 51.56% or $92.65 below the all-time high on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price reached $179.70. Institutional buying and mixed market signals are influencing the narrative surrounding TLT. A recent 13F filing reveals that a boutique firm has acquired approximately 50,000 shares, indicating that some managers are rekindling their long-duration exposure. Concurrently, the increasing term premium and persistent long-term yields have diminished TLT's status as a safe haven, and the anticipated duration trade has not come to fruition, despite considerable easing by the Federal Reserve. This situation explains the recent decline in price and heightened volatility. In the short term, TLT will be influenced by fluctuations in the term premium, fiscal news, and geopolitical events. Any escalation in tensions could lead investors back to long treasuries, thereby increasing TLT's value, while renewed fiscal anxieties or a sustained term premium may keep yields high and prices under pressure. Over the medium to long term, TLT's significant effective duration renders it highly responsive to shifts by the Federal Reserve. A lasting transition to lower policy rates or a recession-driven flight to quality is likely to yield considerable gains. Additionally, an elevated term premium could enhance long-term returns, even if short-term prices experience volatility. Institutional accumulation suggests that some traders are positioning themselves for this longer-term payoff. However, risks remain imbalanced in the near term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned TLT a perform grade along with a downgrade action. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $86.65 and $86.61. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 18, 2025, and so far it has risen by 1.04%. Further rises are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact near-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. On Wednesday, June 18, 2025, the ETF experienced a golden star signal in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a unique combination. This combination is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF involved. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond finds support from accumulated volume at $86.65. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $0.582 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.671%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund has been 0.560%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond is at $87.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond encounters its first support level at $86.65. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $81.96, reflecting a decrease of 5.85%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. A buy signal has been indicated from a pivot bottom that was identified 4 days ago. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook, suggesting that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF to perform well in the near term. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, changing from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of August, we anticipate that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF will open lower by approximately 2.5 cents and begin trading at $87.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.